Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, May the 16th, 2022. We have here a puzzle page with only one regular Sudoku it's a medium Sudoku. And there's also an additional with extra puzzles. Yes, extra puzzles. I believe 6 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, the binary, and the tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, and also I will solve the Sudoku Medium. And what's the news of today? Yes, well, the Eurovision Song Contest. Ukraine has won the song contest. Not on Monday. No, it's held on Saturday. Last Saturday, yes, last Saturday they have won the Eurovision Song Contest. So that's the news in the newspaper. And yeah, let me start with this regular Sudoku Medium number 4557. 4557. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. All right. 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Let me start with 270. Interesting. All right. Okay. 3. Oh. All right. We have a 1 in the last column. The 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a pair, 1 and a 2 in the first row, 1 and a 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. Now I cannot continue with 1. Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this second row. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see here another 3 in this column. So no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. All right. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Can I count all the 1s? Yes. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Oh, wait. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the said column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And we have a pair again, the 2 and the 3 in this row. The 2 and the 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3, but I can continue with 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Can I count all the 2s? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. All right. Okay. How about yeah. 7. Yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in the column next. So no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. All right. Okay. Then. How about yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. 7, 9. How about? Yeah. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row, 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. Then let me see. Well. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Cannot continue with the 4. Alright. Then. How about? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this column, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then we have a pair. Yeah. 3 and 8 in the first row, 3 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So now we have 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8. And the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about this box? One box left in the last column. Oh, sorry, in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, so we have a 6 in the last row. 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, you see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Can I count? And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. One box left in this column. The second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing. Oh, wait. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. So that box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 5. One box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this 2 stars Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.